nutrition. But it's hard to overestimate how much our genes shape who we are. Are my parents nerds? Well, my dad, why do you ask?
Heredity. That was horrible. Heredity. Our family tree. What's this? Nope. Go back. How can you slow it down? Settings. Wait, I could just. Okay, let me go back. A transfer of genetic information from parent to offspring. DNA. Diaclop. Don't know how to say that. Contains information that forms high. Okay, I'm in 7th grade. This is in high school. What is with these words? Chromosome, a single highly organized and structured piece of DNA. The basic physical and functional unit of heredity, made up of DNA. Heredity. Genotype. Genes code eye color. How do you have orange eyes? My man's got orange eyes. Like, if you could see this man's good. This man's literally got orange eyes. It's one red rose and next to a whole bunch of white roses. It's funny. I'm just gonna see.